Okay guys, if you have not seen part 1 of this video, I'll link it in the cards, how I debone the chicken breast. We bringing out the big guns today, y'all. I'm bringing out my deep pot. You see how big it is? It's a cast iron enamel pot. This recipe works great also in cast iron, regular Dutch ovens. It works great. So here are all those breasts. It's about 14 or 15 breasts, and I show you how I debone them in the previous video, and I'll link it. Now, I'm a season to taste type girl, so I'm not going to tell you a tablespoon of this, tablespoon of that. I just season to taste, and I'm actually making this video for my cousin who asked me about the recipe, and she is too a season to taste type girl. So as you can see here, this is a lot of breasts, so you may think it's a lot of seasoning, but this is about 14 or 15 breasts that I have to season. So the first one was coarse cracked black pepper. Then this is granulated garlic. And then I'm also going to add seasoned salt. Now the cans of what I use, I can tell you the measurements on those that I use in this particular recipe. And this particular recipe was enough to feed an army. It's supposed to be 3 meals in one. Okay, this is the seasoned salt, y'all. My plan was to make this could be 3 meals in one. That's why I love it. And you can freeze it. So this could have been a dip with chips. You could serve it over rice, or you could make it a burrito. We didn't even get to the burrito, y'all, because they ate this stuff up. So that was onion powder, by the way. Yeah, that's onion powder. The last one was granulated garlic and seasoned salt. So this is all the taste. This is the seasonings that I add in here. But this is all the taste. So for this, it was 2 cans, 2 15-ounce cans of drained and rinsed black beans. I drained them out and I rinsed them off. This is 2 cans of whole drained sweet corn. This is 2 cans, I think it's 10-ounce cans of tomato with chili mix. It's tomato and chili mixed together. It was 2 10-ounce cans of that. And then I also had 2 4-ounce cans of the mild green chilies. I wanted to beef up the chili taste, so I bought 2 4-ounce cans of the mild green chili. And then I used 3 cans of cream of celery. You can make it yourself. I just happen to have it on hand, so I used what I had, and it is 3, I think 10.5-ounce cans of cream of celery. I thought I was doing myself a good service by using one healthy choice, and then the rest, the regular cream of celery. Dried cilantro, if you like fresh cilantro, go ahead and add it. This is chili powder. It is not spicy, it's the chili powder. And then I come right behind that with cumin, and I love cumin. So adjust the seasoning to your liking. But when I tell you, when I made this, you didn't have to touch up anything. It was perfect. It was perfect. That's the cumin. Now, this is about 6 cloves of garlic in my hand. I'm going to grate about 6 cloves of garlic. That's all the garlic grated at the top. Now, all the stuff that's on top, because remember your breasts are at the bottom, so all the seasoning and beans and vegetables you put on top, you just want to mix that up. You do not need to add any liquid, okay? This is after 2 hours in the Dutch oven. I baked it for 2 hours on 350 and did not open it at all. 2 hours straight. Now, you see how it looks liquidy? That's a good sign because one, as it cools, it's going to thicken, and 2, as you shred some of all this chicken that's in this pot, it's going to thicken. So if you take it out the oven and it looks runny, that's fine. Remember, you have to shred the chicken, and we also gonna add cheese to the top. So after I shred it, I don't like my chicken shredded, like really shredded. I still like the taste of some chunks. So that's what I did in mine. And as you can see, it's already starting to thicken up already. And y'all, when I tell you this smells amazing, oh my God. And you can freeze this, you guys. Okay, I put the cheese on. I just put the top back on for about 15 minutes and set it in the oven, turned off for 15 minutes. This is the cheese melting. It's a little thicker, but now it's like that good burrito gravy. So I put some rice in the bowl and scooped it out into the bowl. You see that cheese, and it got that nice burrito gravy. It's not too thick and not too thin. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So tonight we're serving it over rice. And I chopped up some green scallions. Some people call them green onions, green scallions, and made some fresh guacamole. Y'all, I didn't even show y'all my bowl because it was covered in guacamole. It didn't even make no sense. So I didn't even show y'all my bowl. I just show y'all my son's bowl. I hope this is helpful. I will try and list the ingredients in the description bar to let you guys know. If you like this video, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, share this video, like this video, and leave me a comment. This, you guys, this recipe is freezable. You can make ahead. You see that? You can make it ahead of time and freeze it, so you can do anything with this recipe. This is one of those keepers, and it's also good enough to feed to company too. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.